Last night my little girl came to my bedroom. I heard her whisper softly from the door, "Daddy, I can't sleep 'cause I miss Mama. Does Mama miss me like she did before?" I took her in my arms and then I told her, "Darling, Mama misses you the same. But little girls and daddies cry with teardrops. Angels cry with roses and with rain. Angels cry roses and rain. Angels don't know any pain. So darling, when you hear your mama's name, think of angels, roses, and rain, and rain. Angels, roses, and rain. This morning she was playing in the kitchen. Then she took her doll and went outside. I watched her as she walked among the roses. I saw a little sadness in her eyes. But then I heard a raindrop on the window, and softly as the cloud that moved above, my little girl picked up her doll and whispered, "That's the way my mama sends her love." Angels cry roses and rain. Angels don't know any pain. So darling, when you hear your mama's name, think of angels, roses, and rain, and rain. Angels cry roses and rain. Angels don't know any pain. So darling, when you hear your mama's name, think of angels, roses, and rain. Angels, roses, and rain. Angels, roses, and rain.